Have you ever wondered where humans really come from? What if our origins aren't just rooted here on Earth, but beyond? Today, we're diving into a mind-bending conspiracy theory that suggests humans, or human-like beings, may have once lived on Mars and traveled to Earth after a catastrophe. Welcome to the world of the Mars origin theory. According to this fascinating theory, Mars wasn't always the barren, red desert planet we know today. The story goes that Mars was once a thriving, Earth-like planet, with an atmosphere, flowing water, and possibly even advanced civilizations. Some proponents believe that Mars was home to a sophisticated society, perhaps similar to our own. But then, something went terribly wrong. A massive disaster, sometimes referred to as the Great Martian Catastrophe, wiped out the atmosphere and transformed Mars into a harsh, lifeless planet. Some even speculate this catastrophe could have been a nuclear-like event. Evidence of dried riverbeds and lake basins on Mars fuels this theory, hinting at a time when Mars had flowing water and perhaps life. But what if not everyone perished? According to the Genesis from Mars hypothesis, survivors may have fled the doomed planet, using advanced technology or possibly riding natural planetary forces like asteroids. They traveled across space and settled on Earth, bringing their knowledge and culture with them. This concept aligns with a scientific theory called panspermia, which suggests that life can travel between planets via interplanetary bodies. In this case, Martians could be our very own ancestors. Is it possible that some ancient Earth civilizations, like the Egyptians and Sumerians, had knowledge of Mars? Could their astronomical knowledge, pyramids, and mysterious symbols actually have origins in the Red Planet? Conspiracy theorists believe so, pointing to symbols and structures on Earth that seem to mirror Mars. They also point to mysterious formations on Mars itself, like the face on Mars in the Cydonia region, claiming it may be a relic of an ancient Martian civilization. Some versions of the theory propose that Mars and Earth may have once been connected by an interplanetary civilization. Whether Mars was a colony of Earth or Earth of Mars, these theories suggest that after Mars's collapse, Earth became humanity's last stronghold. This idea of an ancient lost civilization could mean that human history is far older and more mysterious than we think. Finally, theorists suggest that NASA and other space agencies might know more than they're sharing. Could their ongoing interest in Mars be part of a cover-up, hiding evidence of past life or even remnants of ancient civilization? Conspiracy theorists believe Mars exploration is, at its core, a mission to rediscover our own Martian ancestry. The Mars origin theory has captivated people because it's rooted in mysteries and questions we already have about Mars. With evidence of water, potential remnants of past life, and our own ancient symbols on Earth, it's easy to see why so many find this theory fascinating, and maybe even possible. So, what do you think? Could our ancestors have come from Mars, or is this just another wild conspiracy theory? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending theories and hidden truths.